Welcome to another episode of Farm Fresh Bites. My name is Maya and I'm the community chef here at Red Hook Farms. And today we're going to be making a curried pumpkin and potato curry. And you want to stay tuned through the whole video to listen to this week's code word that you can use at Farm Stand on Saturdays to get yourself some $2 Health Buck coupons. So stay tuned, we're going to get started. First things first is you're going to need to wash your vegetables to make sure they're nice and clean. Next, you're going to chop your potatoes into a medium small dice so that they cook pretty quickly. Then you're going to chop your onions into a small dice. Then you are going to cut your squash into a medium small dice. It can be a little hard to get squash into a small dice since the skin is pretty hard and the actual meat of the vegetable is. So do your best to get them small, uniform dice. In a deep pot, you're going to add in your oil, heat it up over medium-high heat. Add in your onions, stir those up. At this point, you can add in and season up your onions with salt, pepper. We're using some curry powder and chili powder. It has a lot of other spices in it, like turmeric and paprika and cocoa powder. So if you get a spice blend, you get all of those spices already blended together to use. It makes it a little bit quicker. So we're adding all of those in there. Give it a stir. Then you're going to brown the onions. Get them not totally brown, but like start getting them cooked and tender and translucent. Then you can add in your potatoes and stir those up. And then you can add in your squash and stir those up. And once you add in all of your vegetables, get everything stirred, going, you're going to pour in your vegetable broth. Next, what you'll do is you're going to let this simmer, put a lid on it if you want to, but really if you have it, bring it to a boil, then let it simmer and cook for about 15-25 minutes or so. Also, if you didn't know, you can use Health Bucks at the farm stand, and Health Bucks are a type of coupon that you can use at farmers markets around the city, including the Red Hook Farms Market that happens on Saturdays from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. This week's code word is chocolate bark, and you can use this code word at our Saturday farm stand to get yourself some Health Bucks to use towards your purchase. When your squash and potatoes are nice and tender, you're ready to go. If you want to cook it a little bit more to get them a little more mushy, you can, but you don't have to cook them super too much. And then once it's to the texture that you like and the flavors have absorbed, You can serve it up. This tastes really good with some bread or rice, and enjoy.